in our current curriculum, we have different sets of courses that are focused on the essential source, but there's not an integrations between all of the subjects. While restorations, as we know, is a field that combines multiple disciplines, the methods and the theories, but not as in integrating all of this knowledge into one. So what I perceive is that the current curriculum is thought of restoration as a separate subject, not as an integrated subject.
Because all of the higher education university, for example, the faculty have their own policy, the school have their own policy. So I think it's not only from the educators, but from the management of the faculty or university. We also need like kind of audience with them to promote the restoration education curricula that it's consists of several or transdisciplinary background. So we need to come together, not only one or two faculty, but maybe more faculty need to join hands to then tackle that obstacle and move forward with the new restoration education curriculum. So a lot of government institution and also, for example, the ministry, they are also engaging with the restoration, landscape, or ecosystem restoration. So I think it's really a good chance to come together and join hands for this curriculum development.
We come with a prediction, we come with a forecast of how the environment in the future looks like, but then we forgot to maintain the prediction itself into our development planning. And normally when there's no interest, when there's no urge to incorporate that into the development policy, I think it's going to be meaningless. And I think the intention to do that need to be stronger for our politicians. Well, education, I think, is one of the alternative solutions. More politicians, more decision makers, learn more in the education system will be very beneficial for them to get to know how the importance and how top priority this should be in the development itself.
The challenge, the first one, I think not all of the people are already familiar with the terminology of restoration. I don't know if some institution able to deliver those kind of information by using a simple way, social media post, TikTok or something like that, it will be better. So basically just make sure those terminologies are acceptable by citizen, by community. That's the first one. And for the second one, the main challenge is perhaps it's not beneficial financially, or perhaps if one student enter one kind of study program that related to the restoration, perhaps it's not many makers. It's something like that. But because they are not thinking about the bigger impact to the environment,